Not run? Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier, and today we're going to be watching season 2, episode 4 of House of the Dragon. Alright, so last time we had the battle of the Burning Mill between the Blackcoats and the Brackens. It was the burying of the Cargills, and then we had Kristen's first day as the Hand of the King. He did not go well with him. They hired some new Kingsguard. Laris and Missaria got promoted, and so they're now the Whisperers. The Rhaena got sent off with the children and to the Vale and to Pentos, and also Kristen and Alicent's brother Gawain, they head out to the Riverlands and stuff. They're trying to reach Arenal, but Daemon is already at Arenal and he claims it for the Blacks. Bela spots Kristen and Gawain and reports it to Rhaenyra. Also, we had that Rhaenyra works with Missaria, and despite her council being itchy to send out the dragons, we need to get this thing moving. She does like a thing with Alicent, meets her in the Sept, and this whole conversation, and it's now understood that Viserys did want Rhaenyra to be queen, and Alicent had the wrong idea, but she's also right. It doesn't matter now. Things are already in motion. Rhaenyra knows she has to do what she has to do, and Alicent knows, well, it is what it is, So that's where we got left off there. Right, so I was waiting for the name of the episode, but I'm not getting it. It's not up yet. So I'm going in blind. I don't know what the name of the episode is. This is episode 4. And so, yeah, let's get into it. Screen recording in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, so quick little thing. Got the name of the title of the episode just before I started watching, and it's The Red Dragon and the Goal. In Rhaenyra and Daemon's absence, Rhaenys tries to steady the Black Council as Cole mounts a campaign. Right. Oh, Cole mounts a campaign into the Crown Lands. Right, so that's where we left off, and now to the reaction. Okay, so this is the Red Keep. So this looks like another vision for Daemon. Just like he was having visions in last episode. Or dreams or whatever it was. Oh, it's Rhaenyra. I didn't see her before. Oh, okay.
There's been a raven.
Oh, what? Where's the black one? Oh. Oh, okay, alright then.
Well, I trust.
Yeah, you slept very well.
Your Grace.
Lord Grover is looking more hale and healthy than I expected.
Yeah.
Tully, grandson to Grover Tully. He is heir to Riverrun and the future Lord Paramount of the Riverlands.
How fares your grandsire?
He lies in a kind of waking sleep, unable to do much more than take meagre drink.
Perhaps you might place a feather pillow over his head and speed along your inheritance.
I love my grandsire. like a father.
Not much help right here? Not much help right now.
Lord Grover raised me in his stead.
All very touching.
Yeah.
Your grandsire's voice for House Targaryen in the Riverlands.
While he still lives? That is not our way.
Then you're of no use to me. See why the Blackwoods and the Brackens did not fear to start a war beneath the nose of their liege lord.
Yeah.
Tully is a fish with no head.
Pretty much.
Summon the Blackwoods here. I require men of action to lead my host of rivermen.
I get Damon's point here, because if you can't speak for him, then you're just wasting his time. You know, he needs to raise an army, and it is what it is. He needs an army, and you can help him raise an army, so you just gotta do what he's gotta do.
But I was not told his saviour was so comely. Your mother must have been very beautiful. He was the sailor who plucked you from your watery grave.
Yeah, he was. Are they gonna address a little thing there?
I know who he is, Corliss. Alan's past is no fault of his.
When it comes to 5-month-old Yakai, Wu, you are the father.
He saved his lord's life. He should be raised up and honoured, not hidden beneath the tides.
Is this why you came?
I came to tell you that Baylor has... They grow restless in Rhaenyra's absence.
Still. Where has that woman gone?
I suspect to try and draw us all back from the abyss.
Okay, so she's been gone a while. Understood. Thought it'd be like a day or two, but no, it looks like a few days. Oh.
As requested. I brewed it myself.
Thank you. I will see it delivered discreetly.
Oh, is the tea for her?
Do you believe Viserys wanted Aegon to succeed him?
I could not know.
That sounds like a
His
lie.
Grace never raised the matter with me.
Alright, if you say so. Yep, it's for her. Okay. Smart decision for her. You know, since her husband is dead and everything, she's not supposed to be pregnant.
She believes.
You should have burned them when you had the chance.
Perhaps you can, Sir Alfred, when you next sight them on your dragon.
The only reason we know any of this is because of Baylor's efforts.
Keep my wife's name out your fucking mouth! I know the Riverlands. He has more disentangling ahead of him than the end of a Lysini orgy.
This council is rudderless.
I'm doing my best to steer it, Sir Alfred.
That of the king consort, that we need to raise alliances and command our vassals, but they are gone.
What has come of this council?
Oh, it's Carlis. Oh, Carlis is there. Okay, cool.
We do not know the Queen's doings. But we must trust that she seeks the same as each of us at this table. An end to this conflict.
Oh, this is a cool shot. Cool in terms of how it's structured and everything. Not that people are, you know, the dead bodies and everything. Not alright, killing the people.
True King Aegon will be spared. You can earn back your honor by raising his banner and fighting in his name against the whore of Dragonstone.
Sacking your queen's own castles and putting up people to the sword. Kingmaker. You're not fit for the White Cloak.
That's true.
Yours will come in kind.
Well, their liege lord is dead, so I understand why they're bowing the knee.
But Harrenhal is to the west.
Indeed it is.
So, not Sahara at all.
Fuck you. I told you we should have sent our dragons, and now look what's happened. I need to be informed of these things. If I am to make informed rulings, I will not be made to look a fool in front of my allies and enemies.
Harrenhal must wait. Cole is already preparing his attack.
How do you know this?
He sent word to me.
To you? The two of you have been plotting without my authority.
Yes, it looks so.
Gaumaus ne hortami repagonai pevoles. Siel votaromi sirtomi tiripeti vetogon. Silveton kuvinoni maderisnios. Luixos.
I like how they're just cutting out everybody else.
Audli non gieri, Jumbi.
Nuke coston vividus seguiton vilivasni.
Gracias para vivir en la casa, en las escuelas, en el azul.
And weaken Rhaenyra's support on the mainland. We will deal with it in the Riverlands in time. Crest is an easy target. And a worthy effort. Do you agree, my king?
Okay, so we see that Aegon isn't brushed up on his Valyrian like Aemond is.
Kind to do so, my lord, but indulgence was my sin. I ventured into the lamprey pie at last night's supper. Too far, I fear.
Oh. You got about...
rich indulgence.
Yeah, oh boy.
I believe it is a sin to deny your appetites.
She forgot about that?
So Kristen is the hand of the king. We should all pray for his victory and safe return.
Indeed. You have not sinned yourself of late.
Only weeks ago my lord husband was alive, and the realm was at peace. Now I've barely had the hours to grieve one tragedy before suffering the next. I regret if I have not been myself.
Valid. I get that.
Rhaenyra eventually ascend the throne. The significance of Viserys' intentions died with him.
That is true. All that matters now is who wins. That's what counts.
Yes, it did.
Is he tracking himself? Or is that supposed to be Aemond? Oh yeah, it is him.
I'm called Alice.
Strong?
Rivers.
Bastard.
Once
Yep.
you get to know me, you'll find I'm not so bad.
What are you then? Some kind of maester?
In a manner of speaking, the very bed you sleep in was made from such a heart tree. You experienced anything of note?
Okay, that explains a lot.
I'm no woman at all. I'm a barn owl, cursed to live in human form.
Alright, lady, come off it.
Attempting to draw an army of men.
Okay, what's in that?
Here, drink this.
Just drink it just so?
Need your sleep if you're to win this place to your side.
Who are you?
Sir William Blackwood of House Blackwood, Your Grace. As I said.
Well met.
Oh, well, this is the next day. Okay, alright, I get that now.
I once vied for Queen Rhaenyra's hand. Before she wed Selena.
Oh, that's him. Oh, that's Lena. Is that Alice seen as Lena?
Your Grace.
Oh, okay.
Armies will be yours.
Our lords in the Crown Land. Kingmaker, they're calling him. And with Aemond and Vhagar also at the ready, we are a formidable opponent.
You bore me.
Alright.
You all bore me.
Perhaps Kristen will be able to procure more livestock through...
Where are your father's books?
I ordered them removed.
With no thought to the centuries of knowledge in those pages.
Oh, man.
Cole, Aemond, they pursue their campaign without seeking my aid, or even my thoughts.
What thoughts would you have?
I'm the king.
Okay, and?
Do you think simply wearing the crown imbues you with wisdom?
Apparently so.
In the hope that you might be half the king your father was.
Tread carefully.
Or what? You'll hang me as you did your rat catchers.
Yeah.
Or have me banished as you did your hand.
Yeah, that's gonna look good, isn't it? That's not gonna look good.
What would you have me do, Mother?
Do simply what is needed of you. Nothing.
Damn. Oh, that's Oh, I love that. Oh, that was immaculate. Immaculate.
We shall move now and strike by day. They will not expect it.
They will not expect it because it is fucking madness. Dragonstone and their dragons are just across the bay. What, grown tired of living, have you?
You afraid, sir?
Of dragons? Yes.
I'm rational.
Of course I'll be afraid of dragons. You're mad.
Advance.
Is that Rhaenyra coming back?
I see no other choice. We need to send a dragon.
Where?
To support the war that your vassals have been fighting in your absence. Your Grace.
Oh, that was tetchy.
Of my father. He kept his oath.
But he's dead?
Cole took his head for it.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Where have you been these last days? Could have been taken or slain.
I inherited 80 years of peace from my father. Before I was to end it, I needed to know that there was no other path.
Okay. Some tension there.
Only one choice remains to me. Either I win my claim, or die.
Cole knows we have no army on the mainland.
He is brazen.
He is daring us to act.
We need to send a dragon.
I will go.
My queen.
You cannot.
I will not loose dragons to war whilst I hide here in my castle.
Our allies raise their banners for you, Mother.
Yes, they do.
If you die, all is lost.
You must send me, Your Grace. I will meet Cole.
It's smart. It's a smart thing to do. It's their best play. Okay, Aegon's made a decision, which is most likely a bad one. I know what happens at the end, so that's all I'll say for now.
It's a secret. But Viserys told me when he named me his successor.
Okay, so she's gonna tell him about the Song of Ice and Fire.
Aegon the Conqueror's time.
Okay, Aegon is gonna join the battle. While drunk. Alright.
The Targaryen, who sits the Iron Throne, is not just a king or a queen. They are a protector. He held to this the whole of his life.
Oh, saying that whole thing while... Oh yeah.
But to unite the realm, I had to send the dragons to war.
I love this. I love that. I love this whole sequence. It's very good.
Aegon the Conqueror's dream. He called it the Song of Ice and Fire.
Make the signal.
What signal?
All is going to plan.
Oh boy. Oh. Nice. Okay. So that is Vagar.
This. Boss, Vega, Sir Daor.
Whose dragon is that?
That's the
disgrace the king's.
This was your secret plot cast.
Oh boy. Oh! Oh. Oi. Oh. It's Vagar. Kind of a smart play by Aemon there.
Thank the gods! Dracarys!
Dracarys with Aegon there, what?
Your Grace!
Long live the king.
What kind of... Why would... What's she gonna do? What are they gonna do, Rhaenys?
Ancos Elis.
Not run? Alright, this is wild. Alright. Let's go. Whoa. 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 Oh, okay. They're running from the dragon. Yeah. Wise. Probably too late though. Yeah. Would hate to be them right there. Oh boy.
We ride together. We die together. Bad boys for life.
Is she coming back? I would go higher. Go higher. This is not the... Is he behind the castle? Oh! Is she gonna fall on the castle?
You raggedy bitch.
Well, the dragons have been unleashed. And one is dead. Oh, I thought that was the end of the episode. Oh, that was good. Very good sound play right there. Yikes. Okay, Sir Gawain took control of the forces, I guess. Based on that right there. I'm assuming that was Sir Gawain. Sounded like him.
The king has fallen. We must find him.
Ah, wow. So Aegon is down and Rhaenys is dead. Vhagar took some damage, but Aemon is alright.
Aemon!
Where's his grace?
Yeah. Oof. Good TV, good TV. Alright, so that was episode 4 about the Red Dragon. Well, I can't say the name of the episode title right now, but yeah. So the Red Dragon was obviously Melis, and then the gold one was Sunfire. Vhagar is kind of like greenish. Yeah, greenish, brownish. Yeah. Right. So the biggest thing in this episode was the Melis Vhagar Sunfire fight, but I'll deal with that at the end. What we had at the start here was right. So we had basically 3 locations. No, sorry, there's more than that. My bad. So we had no, Damon was still having these visions and everything. So his role in this, I can just deal with that here. So his story is basically him having the visions at Harrenhal, being unable to sleep, and then he meets up with Alice Rivers. So we saw her in the last episode, and she's basically the Pseudo Maester here, since the previous Maester fled, and so she just filling in that role because there's nobody else to do it, and she's a bastard. That's why her name is Rivers. Her last name is Rivers. Right, and so this whole thing about the weirwood trees were cut down in the construction of Harrenhal, and so that's why it's all this haunted, cursed, all this bad negative vibes from it. And in particular Damon's bed, the bed that he's sleeping on, that was also made also one of those trees, so it works upon him, it stick upon him. Alright, and so he's there. First he meets with I don't know which Todd it was, but he's the grandson of Grover Todd, the Lord of the Riverlands, and yeah, not going well at all. Dude is basically just asleep basically all the time, not much use, and so they're just keeping him alive. And so the kid, the heir, the grandson, is just there for no reason. He can't help Damon, and Damon's like, look, if you can't speak with him, just kill him, and then I can speak with you. But if you can't do that, I don't need you right now. Yeah, you're no help to me. So bang, call for the Blackwoods, and we see the one of the suitors in Rhaenyra's, when she was trying to seek a match before she got paired up with Laenor, then that's when that's where we saw him first. But it's now a new actor, obviously, and he's playing a grown-up version of him. And now he's in charge of the Blackwoods, and so it gives him some stuff about like take care of the Brackens, and I got you, bro. Take care of the Brackens. I got you. We'll be there for you. And yeah, so that's part of his reason why he is sticking to Rhaenyra's side, because he liked her moxie from when he was one of our suitors from years ago. And yeah, so Damon is having these visions of seeing Rhaenyra as a younger version of Rhaenyra, and cuts off her head and everything. All this thing about being usurped and having to be obedient to the person who is now your wife, but also your liege. Yeah. Also, we also see Lena. So he's having visions of Lena too. So it's just like a whole sort of thing for Daemon here. In King's Landing, Aegon is just being, he can't speak Valyrian well. And so I thought the whole thing with him and Aemon when they were talking, and Aemon was like basically like, yo, no matter with that, no matter with this, bro. Listen to him I say, just do him I say. And then like he had to like speak to him in Valyrian, so him not boy him up too much. And then they were talking and a lot, and yeah, so they're doing all of that, and Aemon is feeling underwhelmed, like he's not being put to use. And then Alison had to give him a little sit down, like, yo, best thing you can do for us is to do nothing. Listen to me, listen to Kristen, listen to your counsel, and we just run things. You just need to ease yourself, alright? Yeah. And so he's been drinking and all that, and so he says, nah, I gotta ride with this. I gotta do something. And so he rides into the battle. And Alicent is she is contemplating, like, what matters now is that just someone has to win, and that's it. And Laris finds out by Guy's sense that the Maester brought her moon tea. I think that's the name of it, moon tea, because she fears, the belly with Krista and everything, because she's been having relations with him. So, not good. She's supposed to be a widow. She's not supposed to be having anybody in her bed. So, bad. She cannot be pregnant. It is not a good look. So she had to take care of it sharpish. Yeah. And then in King's Landing, the issue, Dragonstone, the issue is that Rhaenyra has been missing. And so it's all this and that, and about people arguing and whatever. And then Rhaenyra walks in and it's like, okay, so Kristen is attacking Rook's Rest. We gotta do something about that. But before I deal with that, I need to say, right, so you see that Rhaenys, Alan is a bastard of Corlys. If you didn't pick that up, that's what that was. And so by that, Adam of Hall is also because he was calling him brother and everything. So yeah. So this and that. But yeah, and so Rhaenys was like, you can't hide it behind him, bro. Just it is what it is. It's already done. He's here. Just let him be acknowledged and part of a solution, you know? Okay, and anything else I should mention before I deal with the fight? No, I don't think there's anything else. If it is, I will mention it later, but whatever. So Rhaenyra tells, oh, this is what I want to say. I almost forgot about the, we see Christian has been winning battles and killing lords, and we see that, one of Rhaenyra's Queen's Guard, his father is Lord Darklane, and so R.I.P. bro. Your son is missing you, and so it no, bada bing bada boom. Why? Okay, so he's declared for Rhaenyra. He's got to stick to it. His son is part of our council. Is part of our Queen's Guard. So that's to be, and yeah. And so instead of going to Arenal, Kristen and Aemon devised this plan to attack Rook's Rest instead. And we see that it's because they have a thing going on where they plan to lure in a dragon, and with that dragon is Vhagar is gonna come in and surprise attack them. So the plan was to attack the castle, lure in the dragon of the Team Black to and then sacrifice some people, and then Vhagar coming to take out the dragon. Right, so Rhaenyra comes back and Jace is upset and everything, and it's rightfully so. I get it, cause like we're like stuck rudderless while you're gone. You can't just go, and we don't know what you're doing. You could have been taken alive, you could have been slain, all manner of things could have happened to you. We need you here to lead, you know? And so Rhaenyra, she wanted to go, but instead Melis goes with Rhaenys. And yeah, and then Rhaenyra shares the Song of Ice and Fire with Jace. And then, so the final thing we have is the battle. Melis comes in, sweeping up. Sunfire comes in, and he's getting him and Sunfire. I'm not sure if Sunfire is a he or she. I don't know, but Melis and Rhaenys are giving out like a 1-2 bap 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 to Sunfire and Aegon. They're losing badly. Aemon. The plan was for Aemon to come in, but he sees, oh wait, that's my brother's here. Alright, let me just ease back. Make this play out, and then I will come in later. Comes in, and he Dracarys' Sunfire and Melis, and Aegon is injured. He's injured, and Sunfire mash up bad too. But Melis is survived. But Sunfire was already being boxed up, so that little thing from that bolt, that fire blaze from Vhagar. No. But yeah, so Vhagar comes in. Melis could have escaped, but she stayed because she dealt some damage to Vhagar. You know, Melis was, she was getting boxed up back from Vhagar, but she like, bap, give a little sing. Vhagar is down, Melis could escape, but Rhaenys said, nah, I think I can do this. We ride or die. And yeah, Vhagar came out, bam. So ends Rhaenys and Melis. And yeah. It was a very good episode of television. Not gonna lie. Very good. I was captured. I was intent. I knew what was gonna happen, but even still, even knowing what was gonna happen, you still need to see how it plays out, and it was worth it. It was very much worth it, and I really, really enjoyed that. Not gonna lie, really, really enjoyed it. And so, yeah, and that's where I'm at. I saw the preview for the next episode, the previews before I done this recording, and yeah, so next episode we're gonna see the repercussions, the fallout. That's where they're gonna be dealing with. We see them parading the head around and everything, and Aegon is down, man. He's down bad. He is dealing with it. Yeah. So that's Melis and Sunfire out. Melis off for sure. Sunfire, nah, gotta down for the season. Not gonna participate, bro. If Melis Sunfire participates again, I would be surprised. But especially because Aegon is injured, and it looks like a bad injury. And I think Christian had to stop Aemon from killing him. But it looked like Aemon was putting his sword back into the sheath. I don't know. So that's something to consider. But yeah, so a very good episode of television. My thoughts are in the discussion, in the reaction. Do you have anything else to share? If there is, you'll see. If not, yeah. Goodbye.